Good morning, everybody. We are on, as you know, the Carnival Vista. We're having a blast. I don't even know what day it is. I'm actually looking for the monkeys right now because I lost them. I knew they were gonna be up here in the clubhouse, but I don't know where. So the clubhouse is just one part of this amazing ship where you can play like soccer. What is this? What's this called? Sky billiards? There's like bowling here. There's kids playing ping pong. Looking for the monkeys. Look at this. Pool table. Massive foosball. You have mini golf. Look at this. 4-person ping pong. There's what's that called? There's like an obstacle course in the sky. The sky ride, which we're gonna try. Oh, I found one monkey. There's the other monkey. Mr. Monkey, we're gonna be doing sky ride. We are going to just be playing around with all the crazy things, but the ultimate finale is going to be the challenge at the water park. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Miss Monkey, I found you. All right, let's go play some stuff. You wanna play 4-person ping pong?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Or 3-person.
3-person? Oh yeah, that's right. Every day we're stopping at a new place. So today's Sicily. We were in Malta. We were in Rhodes, Greece. We're going to Marseille. We're going to different parts in Italy. We're gonna be going to Rome. There's all kinds, and that's the beauty about being on a cruise ship, is that you just don't set sail in the ocean. You go and you visit and you explore all these amazing places. Miss Monkey, say hello, Sicily.
Hello, Sicily. Buongiorno, Messina.
All right, let's go play some ping pong. There's just too much fun to be had here to have straight combed hair.
Yeah.
Or brushed hair.
You can't have perfect hair on Carnival Cruise because you're constantly doing something awesome. So many things to do on the Carnival Vista, but today we're gonna focus on one main thing. What's that?
The water park!
All these young people, they are roasting in the sun. I try to protect myself.
These water slides are so fun. If you come to Carnival Vista, you're going to be amazed of how such a great job they've done on those water slides. Like on a cruise ship. This is like the best invention ever. Even though they probably didn't invent it, I'd like to give all the people, there's like no line. My goodness. This is going to be so awesome. 3, 2, 1, let's do this, Carnival! Woo! See, I told you, it's nice and relaxing. You can look at the colors, it's really pretty. Woo! That was awesome!
Oh, I can get here quick.
You're funny.
Have fun, Mama B.
Laters.
Enjoy your stay.
Laters, baby.
Mama B, do you want to know any tips?
Yes.
Okay, you got to use your shoulder blades. The back, you got to arch your back, arch your heels, like dig your heels in, and use your shoulder blades, kind of like a bobsled.
Why?
Why? So you can go fast. Don't you want to go fast?
I don't know.
Oh, you got to go fast,
How
Mama
fast
B.
is it?
Oh, it's pretty fast.
That was fast, man.
I forgot to tell you it was like really fast.
Oh my, that was really fast.
Yeah, that was super fast. Fun scale from 1 to 10.
84.
84.
Yeah, that was
You get that, Carnival? That's like 1,000%.
That was awesome.
Taking a little break from the water festivities. What are we gonna have now, Miss Monkey?
Guys Burgers.
Woo, we're going to Guy's Burgers Joint. Guy's Burger Joint?
Guys Burger Joint.
Guy's Burger Joint. It's funny how you appear as soon as we get to the front of the burger line.
I had things to do. I had calls to return and
Calls? We're on a
I
boat.
had conference calls with the ocean.
Really?
No, not really.
You just smelled burgers.
Yes.
How do you like the fact that there's a burger joint on the boat?
I love it. This boat has everything.
Best view in the house.
Look at this.
So we're on the Carnival Vista cruise right now, and this morning was crazy so far. It's been a crazy trip. We've had all kinds of food. We've eaten Italian, we had sushi, we had burgers, we had tacos, we had everything. Oh, the breakfasts have been amazing here. We had tons of ice cream, and now our bellies are full. We just had our burgers, and now we're gonna have a little challenge at the water park. When you land, you go splashing into this like track. What is it, like a landing pad?
It's like, yeah.
We're gonna challenge each other to see who lands the furthest. Okay? Mama B's gonna film it. She's gonna be the judge, and we're gonna do this. I think I'm gonna go further than you. What do you think?
I actually think that too.
You think that too? All right, let's go get lathered up and let's get back in there.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna go down this yellow water slide right over here. So when you get out, you stand where you went. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. We gotta find this monkey because she wants to be in this challenge too. Dad always wins. Dad always wins. Okay, Mama B, feedback on today's water park adventure on the Carnival Vista. A water park on a cruise ship.
Insane.
It's not only just a water park. There's like clubs for the teens, clubs for the kids. There's games on every level.
Yeah.
There's like a sky ride adventure where you can literally like ride around. There's like a full-on arcade guy. There's like everything is on this ship. Basically, this is the most fun ship in the world right here. Carnival. Honk honk. Hashtag Hello Vista.
Hello Vista.
Hello Vista. Hashtag. All kinds of hashtags. You done good. You guys get it.
There's no fun without you.
There's no fun without you. Okay, more adventures to come. Thank you, B family. We love you guys. All right, so we found some B family members here from Ireland. Hello. Ireland, what's up, Ireland? How you doing? Hashtag Hello Vista. Hello Vista. Hashtag Hello Vista. Any special terms you can teach me in Ireland?
What's the crack?
What's the crack?
Yeah.
What's the crack? What does that mean?
Like, what's up?
What's up? What's the crack? Crack?
Yeah.
How do you spell that?
C-R-A-I-C.
C-R-A-I-C?
Yeah.
What's the crack? What's the crack? What's going on?
Not much.
Not much? Everything's good?
Yeah. Banter.
Just cracking around? Mama B, what's the crack?
What? How can you say that to me? Do you know how rude that is?
No, it's Irish.